Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get QR codes for Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone. Now, the first thing you should do is to open any browser that you have, then search for Microsoft login, then go to Microsoft account, and after that, you will have to sign in using your Microsoft account. Now, once you log in into your email, what you should do right now is to simply head to the security options. So here, as you can see, we have many options right here. So now you can simply go to security info right here, or just click on this option right here, update info. Then it will jump you directly to this page. You can simply click on add sign-in method. Then here, as you can see, you have this option, Microsoft Authenticator. Just to choose this option. Then once you choose it, you will have to go now to your phone. So now I'm gonna open my phone. As you can see, here we are. You should now go to your Play Store or any store that you have, whether you are using iPhone or Android. Then you should search for Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you search for it, you should now go and update it if you have any updates, or download it if you haven't downloaded it yet. So here, as you can see, I'm updating the application, and once it finished, you can now go back and wait till it finish the installing process. Then once you finish the update, click on open, and you should now click on add account, then go to personal account, and you can simply click on scan a QR code if you need. But here in my case, I will click on personal account, then click on sign in with Microsoft, then choose any account or click on add an account, then add it to my list right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.